the boards? I hope. Thumbs up. Can you see them? Thumbs up. Good. Okay, awesome. So today's objective will be I can understand addition is combining two sets of objects. So we're still focusing on combining because combining is what?
Teacher, I'm using kissing.
Adding. You're using what, sweetheart?
Kissing.
Oh, that's cute. I love it. So does everyone have a little bag with 10 items in there?
I'm using pennies.
That's awesome. I love teddies. You know what, Guile? I'm using teddies too. Or I think I'm gonna use I brought my teddies home. So I'm gonna use teddies. Okay. Okay, everyone should have this one. I'm going to put it right here. You guys should have your addition stories. It looks like this. Okay. And you guys should also have a little farm that looks like this. Okay. All right. So before you guys get your yummy little snacks out, and don't eat them, okay? Don't eat them yet. Don't eat them quite yet, okay? We're gonna hear a story. I want my dog bit it. Can you see that? My dog bit it. Sorry, guys, but you can still see it, right? Yeah, thumbs up if you can still see. Thumbs up. Okay, awesome. So Cosmo got hungry and ate my paper. But we can still see it. It looks still pretty, right? Okay. All right, here we go, guys. So I want you guys to, I'm really excited because I'm going to tell you a story about some animals on the farm. But before we start with the animals on the farm, I want you guys to tell me how many animals you see here in the picture. So let's start with, go ahead. Who's this? Kirsten. How many animals do you see on this farm? Let's start with the pigs. How many pigs?
3. 3.
Thank you, Guile. Although I called Kirsten. So let's make sure we let our friends speak too, okay? So everyone gets a turn. All right, thank you, Guile and Kirsten. All right, guys. So the next one is, we know we have 3 piggies. Everyone say 3.
3.
Good. So we know we have 3. Now, how many goats do we have? Who can tell me? Mandy, go ahead.
2.
Good, 2. So we have 2 goats kind of like on the path, right? On the path. And then we have 3 piggies in the pig pen, right? They're in the mud. Okay? So how many do I have in all? Go ahead, Marissa. Or Naomi, go ahead. Naomi, tell me, how many do I have in all?
No.
Okay. Sophia.
5.
Oh, good.
5.
Yes, we have 5 in all. Because what we did is 3 plus
2.
Good. Equals
2. 5.
Good. So, do you guys see how we're starting to use word problems to understand addition? Now, let's look at the next set of animals. How many frogs do I have, Sophia? How many frogs? Jumping in the pond.
3.
Good. 3. Now, how many horses do I have running on the grass? Go ahead, Marissa.
1.
Good. So 3 little frogs jumping in the pond plus 1 running horse gives me how many animals? Equals how many animals?
4. 4.
Good. 4. Very good. Good. All right, so Mariah is on Hangout. Hold on. Hold on. All right, guys. The ones that are just now joining me, can you guys please put your mute on because I'm doing a kinder lesson. TK, you guys have a potty break right now. TK, go ahead and take a potty break because I'm going to finish kinder math. TK, thank you. Mariah, stay there, and Marcus and Maverick, stay here, okay? All right, here we go. So we know that if sometimes we're going to have pictures that look just like this, and it's going to tell us to add. So today I want you guys to grab your own little barnyard. Okay? All right. So I need you guys.
Missy.
Oh,
I cannot see you.
you cannot see me. How about now?
I'm listening.
No.
You cannot. Who cannot see me? Raise your hand if you cannot see me. Cannot. Okay, Mandy, I need you to exit and come back in. You're the only one. So exit and come back in, sweetheart. Okay. All right, so Miss D's going to use her counters to tell the story. Okay? Now, what do you guys...
now.
Awesome. Okay. Yes, you can use cereal. Everyone should have 10 counters. 10. I'm using little bears. But you guys have a lot of different ones. Okay. Awesome. Kirsten has candy. Is it candy? Okay. Yummy. Okay. And then Maverick has cereal. And Gail has coins.
I want to bite them.
Naomi, what do you have? Nope, don't eat them yet. Eat them after our math lesson.
Pennies.
Pennies. Okay, Naomi has cereal. And Marissa has Legos. Awesome. Okay, Mandy, do you have counters, sweetheart? All right. Good. I like that. Crayons. Good. All right. So we're going to need this page that looks just like this. Okay? Okay? Yes. Good job. Yes. Good. Good. Good, Kirsten. Good, Mandy. Good, Guile. All right, Maverick and Darren and Marcus, you guys need this page here, okay? All right, here we go. Remember, if you guys don't have it yet, this video will be on YouTube. I'm recording it, so you guys will be able to watch it later, okay? All right. Now, for the ones that are ready, we're going to use our little barnyard that looks just like this. And we're going to do our story. Miss D's going to read stories for you guys, and you guys are going to help me by putting them together, okay? So right now, everyone should clear the board. Make sure nothing's on your board. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys stories, and you guys are going to use your objects, and we're going to work on combining the sets that you hear in the story, okay? Are you ready? Give me a head nod. Give me a thumbs up. Good. Okay, here we go. Farmer John walked outside and he spotted 3 horses in the barn. All right, so everyone grab 3 horses. Pretend that your counters are 3 and put them in the barn. So 1, 2, and 3. I'm doing 3 orange bears. You guys see that? 3 orange bears. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. So I did 3. Let me see if I can glue one up there. Maybe I can not glue it, but I can tape it maybe. Let's see. Does that work? Oh, it worked. All right, Miss D's gonna glue her teddy bears up there.
Yeah, but teacher, when the coronavirus is gone, how can we use those?
How can we use what?
If You glue it on the paper. How can we use that at school?
Oh, don't worry. I'm going to take off the coronavirus, okay? I'm going to wash them, okay? Don't worry, Sophia. I don't have the coronavirus yet, okay, sweetheart? I promise. That's why I'm staying home, so I don't get coronavirus. How about you? Okay. So I'm still as healthy as a horse. And talking about horses, here we go.
Missy, I put 3 already.
Awesome! There goes my 3. Do you guys see my 3? They're on the board. Okay. So Farmer John has 3 horses in the barn. And he has 3 horses outside of the fence. So outside of the fence, everyone look at the fence. Now you got to put 3 more horses outside of the fence. So you need more. 3 more. Okay. How many?
5. Yep. 5.
Make sure that you guys put your horses on the outside of the fence, not on the inside. Remember, they're on the outside.
Outside of here.
2 and
They're going all in.
3.
Equals 6.
Good. So how many does Farmer John have in all? Let's combine them. If we have 3 in the barn and we have 3 outside of the fence, how many does that equal to? Oh, how many?
6.
Good. Very good. So what you guys are going to do,
Wait.
on your paper,
You're writing it.
you will grab your paper, listen as your teacher tells you an addition story problem. You guys are going to write or draw your 3 little bears or your Cheerios.
Misty, I cannot see you.
Uh-oh, you cannot see me? All right, here we go.
Misty, I cannot see you.
All right, there you go.
Claro.
Okay,
Paper.
so here we have, how many did I say were inside of the barn? 3. So make sure you use that broken line. Make sure you use your broken line, okay? And then draw your 3. It could be your horses, or you can just draw your cereal or your whatever you used here for counting. Okay, I did cereal because that's what Maverick used. So I just drew little circles for my cereal. Okay? Plus, how many were outside of the fence?
3.
1, 2, 3. So I'm going to draw another 3. And then I'm going to draw 3 more cereal. Okay? 3 plus 3 equal. Good. 6. So now let's combine them. And on this picture over here, it should have how many? How many? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Now we're going to do 2 more addition problems. Okay, here we go. And for the latecomers, if you guys did not see my my video from the beginning, it will be on YouTube later. It will be on YouTube later, okay?
3.
All right. For Marcus and Maverick, go ahead and mute yourself, please.
How do I do my communication
Right now, I need you to
It's
do
cooler.
You have to draw 3.
Okay, well, I need you to read total cost. I have to finish.
And then dot like this.
All right, guys, sorry about that. Blake has to do his work too.
Oh, no.
All right, so here we go. Here's my next my next story. Here we go. Now, the next one says, Farmer John has a mommy cat and kittens. The mommy cat was outside the fence, and the 4 little kittens were inside of the fence. How many cats are there in all? Listen to the story one more time. Here we go. Farmer John has a mommy cat and kittens. The mommy cat was outside of the fence. Where?
The mommy cat outside the fence.
Outside the fence. And the four kittens were inside of the fence.
Inside of the fence.
How many are there in all? So we know we have how many mommy cats?
6.
How many mommy cats?
1.
One mommy cat. Thank you. Thank you. Is that Naomi? Thank you, Naomi.
Yeah.
One mommy cat. How many kittens?
4.
Good. 4.
Four.
Thank you, Gail. 4
Five.
kittens. So if I'm going to add, combine, let's combine them.
Where are you?
How many do I have in all? How many do I have in all?
5.
Good. So what does that look like?
This is 5. 3.
What does that look like here? What will that look like? Mandy, go ahead.
Wait.
Mandy?
Nikki, I can't see you.
You can,
Yes.
Can you see me, Mandy?
Yes.
Okay, so what will I write for my equation here?
Cat.
There's another one on that.
Okay,
So
but what numbers am I going to use? Good, Gael. 4. What else am I using, Gael? 4 plus.
1.
Good, Mandy. Equal.
5.
Thank you, Naomi. So what am I going to draw here? 4 what? 4 what? What was in my story?
Cat. Kitty.
Kittens. Thank you. So little baby kittens. Little baby kittens. Little baby kittens.
5.
Okay. Now,
My answer.
what am I going to draw here? I have 1 what? What do I have 1 of? Go ahead, Kirsten.
1.
What do I have 1 of? Kirsten, I can't hear you, sweetheart, because of your microphone.
1.
All right, sweetheart. 1 what?
Anastasia, that's your baby brother? 1.
Kirsten.
1.
What am I going to draw here? Because I have 4 kittens plus 1 what?
1 dog. You can touch it. Mommy sitting away.
Mommy. Good. So I have a mommy. 1 mommy.
Hello.
All right, Mariah, I need you to put yourself on mute, please, sweetheart. Put yourself on mute, okay? I'm in the middle of a lesson. Thank you. All right, guys. So I have 4 baby kittens plus 1 mommy kitten or mom cat equals how many in all? Go ahead, Mandy. 5. So here,
5.
good. So here, I'm going to make sure you draw mommy and then draw all the little kittens, okay? Okay? Now, how will it look in my barn? Everyone should show me. And I want you guys to take a picture of your barn and make sure that you guys send it to me so I know that you did it. So how many kittens go inside of the fence? Who remembers? Who was listening to my story?
4.
Good.
4.
So Miss D is going to do how many kittens? 4. Good. Thank you, good listeners.
4 kittens.
4 kittens. That's right. 4 kittens.
4.
Very good listeners. Very good.
I'm
You
gonna
guys are
draw
awesome listeners today.
Misty, can you color it?
Can you color it after you do your math
Misty,
lesson?
can you color the front after?
Yeah, of course. Make sure you draw your kittens and your, what else did I tell you the story was? Horses. Make sure you draw your horses. 3.
Tompkins.
Hey, guys, knock it off. Sorry, guys, my puppies are going mad.
Why?
They need to go play outside, but Misty's in the middle of school, so let me get Blake to throw them outside for a few minutes.
3. See? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. It was 6.
Misty.
I'm coming, guys. Give me 1 second.
Hmm?
Can you take the pups out for a minute? Maybe you and Ari have to take them.
Oh, straight line on the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you go in it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, guys, my
Yeah, but
puppies.
you didn't have to go on the
My
line.
puppies are going on a walk. All right, here we go, guys. We have one more to do. One more to do. Ready? Ready? Here we go. All right. Farmer John has 5 pigs and 5 cows at the farm. How many animals does he have in all? Farmer John has 5 pigs and 5 cows. How many does he have in all?
10.
Good. Okay, very good. So how will we write that on our paper? Everyone grab your paper. Okay, here we go. Well, how will I write that? Naomi, what should I write here?
5.
Good. 5.
Plus 5.
Plus, okay, thank you, Gael. Marissa, what does that equal? 5 plus 5 equals... Go ahead.
10.
All right, Maverick. 5 plus 5 equals...
10 equals 10.
Thank you. Good job. Now, so here on my paper, how many, what is 5? Farmer John had what 5? Had 5 what?
Pigs.
Pigs. Good. Pigs. Okay, so I'm going to draw little piggies. How many?
5.
5. Oink, oink.
Oink, oink, oink all around.
Here and there and everywhere. Everywhere and oink, oink.
Oink, 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 oink. I'm oink, oink.
Farmer John had 5 pigs.
E-I-E-I-O.
And on that farm, he also had 5 what? Cows. Good. So
E-I-O.
here I'm going to draw 5. What?
Oink, oink,
Listen, listen,
everywhere.
listen.
5 what?
Pig, cow.
Cows. All right. Thank you, Gael. You are a good listener. Where's all my other kinders? So Misty is drawing 5 cows. All right. So Misty just drew 5 cows. Now, how many?
I don't know how to draw cow.
Okay, you don't know how to draw a cow? Here, let me show you right here. So you kind of make like a long oval, but on the top you make it flat. You see that? Can you see my drawing? I don't know if you can see me, Mandy. Can you see that right there? Okay, and then you're going to make floppy, oh, no, wrong animal. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Mini lesson. Little horns. Okay, like that. You see those? Little horns. Okay? Then you're going to do flappy ears. Okay? Then you're going to do 2 big eyes and 2 big nostrils, like that. And that is your cow. You guys see my cow? Okay, how many cows do I need? How many? 5. So I need to see 5 cows. After, when you guys are done with math, you guys can go ahead and do the little black patches. I did it in green, but it's okay. Okay. All right. And then how many do I have in all? 10. So right here, I better see 5 cows and 5 piggies, okay? All right. So now that you guys have done this all on your own, when you guys need help with counting, what can you guys use to help you guys count? What can you use? Can you guys use your barn? Good. So when you guys are done, I want to see you guys draw all the farm animals that we talked about on your barn. Okay, so make sure you draw your horses, your kittens, your your cows, your pigs, and what else? What else am I missing? And your horses, right? Horses. Okay. All right, Sophia, do you have a question, sweetheart? No? I thought I saw you go like this. No? Okay. All right, guys. So, on your own, Kinder, you guys will have this sheet. On this sheet, we will do our own combinations to 10. Miss D, what do you mean combinations? What does that mean? What does combination mean? It means to?
Misty, combine?
Yes, combination means combine. Who said that?
Me?
Maverick. I'm giving you a star for that one. Maverick, star. Mav. Mav, I'm going to do that in just a second. Yes, combine. Combination means combine. So don't let that trick you. Don't let that big word trick you. All you're doing is combining, okay? Combine. So, I lost some of my other kinders that were on this call. All right, let's see. There you go. All right, guys, can you see me now? Can you guys see me on Hangout? Awesome. All right, guys. So
ugly.
So right here, you're going to fill the domino and write the numbers to make the statement true. So we already have done this in class. Remember when we did the friends of 10? We even did, I think, one lesson here. I want you guys to use your friends and your counters to, who's screaming at the TV right now? I mean, at the Hangout. Darren, is that you, sweetheart? Put your mute on, okay? Put your mute. Thank you, sweetheart. Okay. All right. So I want you guys to create your own numbers for 10 that make 10. This is just practice for our friends of 10, but it's very important for us to remember who are the friends of 10 and what makes 10. Okay. Yeah, you can use them or you can eat them. It's up to you. But I like to use them in my barn. So that way I can make my own friends. So
you can use your fingers?
Yes, you can use fingers. That's an addition strategy, right? We've talked about that.
I want to do that, Miss D.
Okay. Addition strategies. What else can you do? Pictures.
I want to use
fingers. You can count on. And you can also use your number pep. Okay? Which I think I printed some of them for you guys. So let's do one. Ready? Let's do the first domino together. Here we go. So let's say I have, in my first domino, I'm going to put 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 3. So I'm going to put a 3 right there. And I'm going to grab 3 teddy bears to use as my counters. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. I'm using 3. Okay?
I want to use my fingers.
That's okay. I'll use my fingers for the next one. Here we go. 3 and what number make 10? What did you say, Gael? 7. Okay, well, I'm going to use what Mandy said. My fingers to test it out, Gael.
7.
Okay, let's test it out. I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna use my other strategy. Darren, hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm gonna use my fingers and listen, guys, I'm gonna use counting on because I already have one number. So I'm gonna count on. Here we go. 3, and now I'm gonna add on 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do I have 7 fingers right here? Yes, I have 7 fingers. That means that Gael was right. I only need 7 more to make 10. Very good. Did you guys see that I counted on with my fingers? Yes, we did that with our fingers, and we did our counting on. Counting on. Okay, so very good job. Uh-oh, guys, it's getting a little too loud. And remember, I am recording for YouTube, so make sure you have your Darren, pay attention. I need you to mute your button, okay? Mute. Thank you, sweetheart. All right, so I am going to go ahead and let the rest of you guys do this all on your own. I want you to focus on the addition strategies. When you do this, you guys use counting on, use your fingers, use pictures, okay? Also, if you need to use a number path, go ahead. Draw a number path on the back of your paper and count from the number path. Use the one that best fits your need, okay? And have fun adding, okay? All right. Remember, if you guys need to do a chart that says friends of 10, if you guys need that, go ahead and let me know, and I will send one to you, okay? A friends of 10. Do you guys remember that?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so Kinder, give me a thumbs up if you're ready to go on your own.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Ready.